Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Happiness, because where there is creativity, there is happiness. So in today's video, we are going to paint this beautiful waterfall scene. So for that, I'm taking a canvas board, and first we will paint the background. And for that, I'm taking 4 colors: white, yellow, brown and black. So I'm starting with applying white color on the top, and gradually I'm mixing some yellow color to it. And now I'm adding some brown color. Don't worry about the blending because it all will be covered by trees and waterfall. So in this step we are just giving some color to the background. And in the bottom I am adding some black color to give some depth. And now we will paint the base color for the waterfall. So for the upper half I am using the light blue color, and I am painting it with a small flat brush. And now for the bottom half of the waterfall, I am using pure Persian blue color and just giving the shape of the waterfall. And in the bottom I am adding another shade of the blue. So for this I mixed white, blue and some green color. And now in the second step we will paint some leaves. So for that I am mixing sap green, yellow and white color. And to paint the leaves I am taking a small flat brush. So after taking some color on the brush, I am just tapping the brush on the surface with a very light pressure. So with the different shades of green, I'm making some more leaves with the same technique. I really like this technique of using a flat brush to make leaves, because everybody has a flat brush and it's very easy to make leaves with it by just tapping the brush on the surface. We can also use fan brush for making leaves, but not everybody has a fan brush. But don't worry, you can easily use a flat brush. I also added some dark green to the roots of these branches. And now I am following the same steps on the other side, starting with the light green color and gradually moving towards the darker shades of the green. So everything till now it's just a part of a background, because we will add a lot of more colorful things on top of it. And now it's time to make some branches. So for this I'm taking a 0 size round brush, and on the top I'm making some branches with a light brown color, for which I added some white color to the brown. So in last 2 weeks, I uploaded 2 very beautiful paintings on how to paint a seascape and how to paint a rainy day. So if you want to learn these paintings, you can click the link in the description box or in the I button. So now we will add some very colorful leaves on these branches. So for this I'm using the same technique. I'm using a small flat brush and I'm just tapping the color on the surface to make some red color leaves. You can take any shade of the red color of your choice. I'm also adding some black color at the bottom to create some depth. And on the top of it I'm making some red leaves because it gives a very good contrast. And now I'm making some leaves with the orange color. So before moving further, I'm making some rocks on the sides of the waterfall. So for that you can take any brush, a round brush or a flat brush. So to make rocks I'm using 4 colors: brown, mustard yellow, black and white. And I will be using all these 4 colors to give different shades to the rocks. Like on the top I'm using light brown color by mixing white and some brown. And somewhere I'm using a dark brown color. And now I'm filling all the gaps between the rocks with the black color. So after this step I'm adding some shadows to the rocks by painting the bottom part of the rocks with a darker shade of brown. And now I'm using mustard color to highlight the rocks. So in the final step I'm outlining these rocks. So for this I'm using a 0 size round brush and I'm using a black color. And to create some more highlights I'm using white color in some areas. So I'm making the rest of the leaves. And now I'm painting the leaves with a yellow color. So as you can see, this painting is going to be very beautiful and very colorful. So finally it's time to make a waterfall. So for that I'm taking a dry flat brush. So if you want to give a very natural look to your waterfall, take a dry brush and just take a very little amount of white color and just apply a very light pressure. So just remember, you have to take a very little amount of white color. So now I will show you the same thing with a fan brush. So to make the splashing water at the bottom of the waterfall, take a small flat brush and just tap some white color, the same technique we used for making leaves. So if you enjoyed this video so far, so please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading more such beautiful and colorful paintings. And if you recreate this painting, so don't forget to tag me on the Instagram so that I can also see your beautiful paintings. So moving to the last step of this video, I'm making some small branches on the bottom. And highlighting some branches with black color. I really hope you enjoyed this painting and learned something new from it. My name is Harshita and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.